Hi everyone! This is Carla from Shopping Apps Tips PH at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Our topic for today is what is quick funds in Shopee? If you are interested, keep on watching. Quick funds is a feature on Shopee for eligible sellers who opt in to collect up to 95% of the escrow amount on the day the order is shipped. Convenient and easy access to revenues. The remaining amount will be released to the sellers once the order is completed. For example, meron po tayong to ship na orders. Once na pinick up siya today ng ating logistic partners, yung income ay mapupunta dito sa Quick Funds. And then, pagdating ng 6 p.m., si Quick Funds ay i-disburse yung ating income papunta dito sa seller balance. So, i-click po natin si Quick Funds. Ang in-approve po sa akin ng Quick Funds ay 10,000 pesos. And then, meron na lang akong available limit. Ito. So, every 6 p.m. nagdi-disburse si Quick Funds ng ating mga income papunta sa ating seller balance. Who is eligible for Quick Funds? This feature is currently only available to select sellers who meet the following criteria. Number 1, local sellers and non-cross-border sellers. Number 2, Shopee account is normal, not frozen or blocked. Number 3, seller balance is enabled. So, kailangan naka-on po ang ating mga seller balance. And number 4, Shopee account is included in the list of eligible sellers for Quick Funds. How does Quick Funds work? Quick Funds is designed to ease your cash flow. You may refer to the steps below to understand how this feature works. Number 1, enable Quick Funds with just a click. Number 2, receive funds 95% of escrow as soon as orders are shipped with a small fee of 0.6%. Yun po ang tinatawag na upfront fee that is deducted automatically. So, yon. Pero kapag first time mo pa lang or bago ka pa lang nag-activate ng iyong Quick Funds ay meron kang 5 days na hindi ka kakaltasan ng upfront fee ni Shopee. So, 5 days lang po yun. Pero kapag pang 6 days mo na, kakaltasan ka na ng upfront fee ni Shopee. And number 3, once the order is completed, the remaining amount, 5%, will be released to your seller balance. So, yung 5% na yon kapag completed na yung order ng iyong buyer ay marirelease na sa iyong seller balance. How to activate Quick Funds? So, ang gagamitin po natin ay ang ating Shopee app. Pero pwede din naman siya sa ating Seller Center. So, sa ating Shopee app ay i-open lang po natin yung ating Shopee app. And then, pumunta po tayo sa ating Me icon dun sa pinakadulo sa right side. And then, i-click po natin ang My Shop. So, yon. Pagka-click ng My Shop, i-click nyo naman po ang My Finance. And then, sa My Finance, meron po kayong makikita dyan na Activate Now. And makikita nyo po doon yung Quick Funds. And then, pagka-click nyo ng Quick Funds, i-enter nyo naman ang inyong one-time password na isi-send sa inyong mobile phone na nakaregister sa inyong Shopee app. And then, mag-upload kayo doon ng government ID and additional information. So, ang ina-accept po nila ay UMID, PhilHealth, driver's license, passport, SSID, etc. And then, meron din pong facial verification process. And application will be reviewed. I-review po yung application nyo for 3 working days. And then once na-approve na yung inyong application, ay bibigyan po kayo ni Quick Funds ng limit kung hanggang magkano ang inyong limit sa Quick Funds. Yung sa akin po ay 10,000 pesos. And lastly, what are the benefits of Quick Funds? So, ang benefits po ng Quick Funds ay number 1, turn sales into cash quicker. Sellers can receive up to 95% of escrow amount in advance on the day the order is shipped out. Number 2, fast and easy application. Sellers will be approved within 1 day with a simple activation process. So, yung 3 days na nabanggit ko kanina ay up to 3 days lang po pala yun. So, maaring 1 day lang ay makikita mo na yung result ng inyong application. So, yun po. Lastly, hassle-free auto deduction. Advance fee is automatically deducted from the escrow amount once the order is shipped out. So, yun po ang ating Quick Funds. So, yun lamang po. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Kung meron, please share this video to your friends, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.